Hi, I'm Nick. We're here today with our 700 series seats. We'd like to show today the modularity of this seat and the ease of changing out the cushions. What I have here is I pulled off the bottom cushion of the original seat today to show the difference. We have a 7.2, which is our narrow cushion, thinner. Our 7.3 you can see is a little wider. We get into our 7.4 and now we're talking this is a couple inches wider and thicker than the original cushion on this seat, which was the 7.2. This is a pretty easy change out if you're looking for something a little more comfortable, a little thicker, a little wider, as long as you're spacing your cab and there's not any interference with controls. It's an easy job. Today we're going to use just a T25 Torx bit on this. There's a couple of screws in the bottom cushion, and we'll show how this goes. All right, now in this case we have our narrow seat cushion. We're going to upgrade to a wider seat cushion. So this is our 7.2. We're going to go to the 7.4. This is in a black-gray matrix. Again, we're going to switch out to a gray cut and sew. There's different materials, vinyls, different colors, different cloths. We'll remove these. 2 screws, one on either corner. Pull this cushion off. Now, when we're installing this cushion, there is a catch on either side on the back, and there's a catch in the bottom cushion. On the back, we'll have 4 screws, one in any corner. So as you can see, this is a pretty simple job and easy to do. If you'd like to upgrade for comfort, we oftentimes get the call where somebody is just looking for a little more cushion, a little thicker cushion, and the job is pretty easy to do and easy to do in the cab. For more information, find more information on our Grammer website at usa.grammer.com.